Hi, I'm Liz Muller from Liz's Hair Design in Hollywood, Florida. In this clip, we're going to talk about Mizani Hair Relaxer. Mizani is a company with a wide ranges of different kind of products, and they have a fabulous relaxers. They also have two-part relaxers where they mix, and you can mix them the strength of the relaxer. This right here is just their basic relaxer for normal, medium to normal hair. Means you can use it on normal coarse hair. They have for fine hair that's maybe thinner. Okay, it looks like this. It's thick in consistency. And you'll notice that, Mizani is a little bit more thicker than some relaxers. But again, this is for the medium to normal hair. They have, again, for fine hair that's been color treated or really thin hair. And they also have relaxer that like, again, has a two-part to it. If you're going to go ahead and use Mizani, realize it has an excellent conditioning system in it that will soften the hair and make it really well to work with later. Thank you. This has been Liz Muller.